In today's video, we will learn 150 workshop tools. Hammer, hammer. Screwdriver, screwdriver. Pliers, pliers. Adjustable wrench, adjustable wrench. Allen key, Allen key. Socket wrench, socket wrench. Combination wrench, combination wrench. Pipe wrench, pipe wrench. Needle nose pliers, needle nose pliers. Slip joint pliers, slip joint pliers. Vice grip, vice grip. Chisel, chisel. File, file. Hand saw, hand saw. Coping saw, coping saw. Hacksaw, hacksaw. Utility knife, utility knife. Putty knife, putty knife. Crowbar, crowbar. Rubber mallet, rubber mallet. Staple gun, staple gun. Caulking gun, caulking gun. Hand plane, hand plane. Spanner, spanner. Torque wrench, torque wrench. Pipe cutter, pipe cutter. Tin snips, tin snips. Wire cutter, wire cutter. Electric drill, electric drill. Impact driver, impact driver. Angel grinder, angel grinder. Circular saw, circular saw. Jigsaw, jigsaw. Reciprocating saw, reciprocating saw. Table saw, table saw. Miter saw, miter saw. Belt sander, belt sander. Orbital sander, orbital sander. Heat gun, heat gun. Air compressor, air compressor. Nail gun, nail gun. Power planer, power planer. Electric screwdriver, electric screwdriver. Router, router. Drill press, drill press. Wet tile saw, wet tile saw. Bench grinder, bench grinder. Power washer, power washer. Demolition hammer, demolition hammer. Impact wrench, impact wrench. Paint sprayer, paint sprayer. Chainsaw, chainsaw. Lawn mower, lawn mower. Leaf blower, leaf blower. Measuring tape, measuring tape. Ruler, ruler. Caliper, caliper. Vernier caliper, vernier caliper. Micrometer, micrometer. Spirit level, spirit level. Laser level, laser level. Protractor, protractor. Square, square. Combination square, combination square. Chalk line, chalk line.